It's different, but it's still a nice look. Feels like a really close look. Did I get close to the picture? My top isn't a crop top, whatever. I'm just tucking in from behind. Hi friends, how are you today? My name is Sabs and I love all things fashion and handbags. I've been so excited to do another Recreate Pinterest outfits with me because the last one I did was so fun and a lot of you guys requested that I do more of those types of videos. So here we are with another one. This one is going to be more for late spring, early summer, but obviously depending on your climate, wherever you're from, you could be wearing these outfits at different times of the year. As usual, the goal with today's video is not to recreate the outfits exactly as they are, but we're just kind of getting inspiration from them. So some of them I will be recreating as close as possible to the original photo, and some of them we're kind of deviating and going with what I have at home. I'm not going to talk too much at all because I just want to get started with these outfits right away. I basically chose these outfits from Pinterest based on the items that I already had in my closet that I was hoping to style more this season to make more use out of the clothes that are just sitting in my closet and I feel like they have more potential. The first one that I have is this very simple and elegant outfit. I like that it has the boots because it feels more transitional for spring to summer. And obviously the blue button-down shirt has had a chokehold on me for the past year basically. I don't know if you've noticed, but if you go on my Instagram feed, you will see me styling my blue shirt so many different ways. So as soon as I saw this photo, I was like, I need more excuses to wear this shirt. I really like that this outfit has so many basic elements. You could probably find this in your closet. It doesn't have to be exact. Like this shirt is pretty much the same shade of blue as the one in the photo, but it doesn't have the stripes, but that's not gonna stop me. So we have our simple black mini skirt, basic tank top, and then I just put the shirt on over top. I think this shirt is definitely a bit more oversized than the one in the photo, but I mean, that's all right. We just work with what we got. And then for the layered sweater over the shoulders, I'm gonna go with my cashmere sweater. I don't know where this one's from. I already like it so much. I don't really have a good comfortable flat pair of black boots. I can't tell exactly what her black boots look like at the bottom because it's cut off, but I do think they're flat and I do think the point of this outfit is to be pretty comfortable and low-key. I don't want to wear heeled boots with the outfit, and I do have my Boulé boots that are very comfortable. They're my go-to comfort boots, and I feel like this kind of gives a similar vibe to the one in the photo. Because I want to match my bag to the shoes, I'm not going to go with a black bag. I'm going to go with my Bottega Veneta brown bag instead, and that's the first outfit. We have another low-key outfit for the next one. The thing that I really like about this one is that it's very effortless, but at the same time it looks very put together. I'm a really big fan of when people wear denim jackets as like a button-up shirt sort of. This outfit just, oh my god, it's so beautiful. I am just a little bit reluctant to try it on with my denim jacket. I only have one. It's not quite as tight fitted as this one, a bit more oversized, so I don't know if it will have the same effect as this jacket, but I love the way she has put this outfit together and I really want to give it a try with what I have at home, so we'll see how it goes. Here are the pieces we're working with. In theory, I feel like this will be a really nice look, but I've never really tried wearing this jacket this way. I'm excited to see how it turns out. Whether it's good or bad, we're gonna give it a try. Our linen pants just not so perfect for the summertime, and I see that she's wearing hers as kind of a low rise, so I'm just gonna leave mine where it's sitting. Now it's the moment of truth. I'm gonna put on my denim jacket and see if it can give a similar vibe as this jacket in this picture. I have a feeling it won't, but let's just give it a try. I already know it's not doing the exact same thing, but what I'm gonna do is put on the shoes that I have, and so it can give me some height so I can see how the outfit's gonna look with the shoes on. She has on these platform black shoes that I kind of have a good alternative for. Like these fisherman platform shoes are so cute and I got them ages ago from a trip to China. I discovered them again in my parents' garage this summer. I'm so excited. They're gonna be my favorite summer shoes this year. I'm gonna be honest, I don't hate it. I don't think it's exactly the outfit that she has on. I won't be able to button this up and treat it like a shirt, but as a jacket over this white tank top, it's kind of a nice low-key summery outfit and I really like it. Now for the bag, I think because she has on a big black bag and the only big oversized bag that I have is my Bottega bag, I think I'm gonna go with the same bag again. The woven detail with the fisherman sandals I feel like is sort of a similar vibe and I really like how they go together. What do you guys think? It's not the exact same outfit, but it feels like a really close look. Okay, this next look is kind of a fun one. I've been having a lot of struggles recently with my more colorful pieces because I look at them and I'm like, that's gonna be a cute outfit. And I'm like, but you know what? I'm gonna save that look for a better day because today's just a normal day. I don't want to wear this outfit. I don't want to waste it. That's all wrong. Wear the outfit on the day that you think of it. Doesn't matter what your occasion is. Life is the occasion. So this look is a good one because of the color, because of the pop of red. 1 second. And here's the outfit base for this photo. I wish I had more low-rise baggy jeans in my wardrobe, but realistically, I can't commit to this pair of jeans because I know, as trendy as it is right now, it's not really my main go-to style. Like, sure, I'd like to sometimes deviate from my usual and wear something a little different, a little risky, but I know that it's not a pair of jeans that I would style very many ways. And so therefore, I know if I buy these pair of jeans, the cost per wear will not go down. It would be kind of wasteful unless sometime in the future my style changes, which I don't really see that happening right now, but I never say never. So with this outfit, the elements that I like, the ribbed white t-shirt, it's a good basic, I have that, and I like the light color of the jeans, but I don't have the oversized, super long, baggy, low-cut jeans. I have my Levi's 501 jeans, and that is gonna have to be close enough. I see that she's wearing it with her Sambas, and I have my Sambas on. The outfit right now is close enough, so we're gonna put my leather jacket over top and see how it looks. And this is the look with the jacket on. I think it's a really nice look. The only thing I will say though is I wish I was not wearing a crop pair of jeans with my leather jacket. You know what though? I do have a pair of low-rise baggier jeans that are more similar to the cut in the picture. They're my cargo pants. I don't know if it's exactly gonna give the same vibe, but I will give it a try. Okay, I switched my bottoms into a pair that have a way more similar cut to the one in the picture. These are my cargo pants. They're from Mango, and I love the stripes on it. It's just I thought it wouldn't really go well with this sort of outfit. But now I'm thinking because the leather jacket is more of a fitted look, having a bigger, baggier bottom is more important than the color and I don't know, the pattern, I guess. So this is what I'm working with. My top isn't a crop top, but I'm just like folding it under because you know, whatever, and I'm tucking it into my bra from behind. I even did a little fold at the bottom so that it reflects the picture more closely. Now let's try the whole look with the jacket. As anticipated, I think this is a way better balance of having a fitted jacket on top and then baggier trousers or pants. It looks really cute. Hold on, let me get a cup. Did I get close to the picture? Not completely, but is the inspiration there? I see it. Next look is very much an outfit that I've repeated in multiple different ways. But today's is gonna be a little bit more high-end, more chic because of this picture. Because even though she's wearing just a basic baby white tee and a denim skirt and everything, it's the way she accessorized this look that made it look a little bit more high-end and more chic. That's what we're gonna go for right now. All right, here's my base for this look. I don't have a denim maxi skirt, but I have this vintage cargo one that I love wearing. Whenever I see a denim maxi skirt outfit on Pinterest, I just immediately swap it out for this one because I just work with what I have. And although I was trying to make a baby tee out of this shirt for the last look, I don't want to do that again. I'm just going to tuck this one in. I feel like it kind of gives a similar vibe. As for the bottom half of this picture, I don't actually know if this is a midi skirt or a maxi skirt, and I don't even know what kind of shoes she has on. So I think I'm just going to go with my Sambas again. I see she's done a beautiful job accessorizing. I see she has some rings, some chunky earrings, and a watch. So I put on my watch and some chunky jewelry and my hoop earring. And I do want to get my hair in a bun because I feel like that's part of the look. And as for the next part, I don't want to do a really dark sweater over my shoulders. So I did get a beige one because I want this whole outfit to look a little bit neutral and I want the accessories to do the talking. Don't get me wrong, I did like hers was a dark sweater, but I just think with my skirt and my look, this sweater is a better match. And then now I'm gonna get my sunglasses. For my bag, since we're going with a lot of gold jewelry, I'm gonna go with my Dior saddle bag. I've said this so many different times, but the hardware on this bag literally reminds me of jewelry. It's just so perfect when you want an outfit to be glammed up. Is this look not just instantly elevated with this bag? For the next one, this photo, I see that there is like a beautiful butter yellow vest. Actually, I don't know if it's butter yellow or just beige, but in the photo to me it looks like butter yellow, and we all know that's the color of the season. Everyone loves it. Again, because I don't have a really super baggy pair of light wash denim jeans, I'm gonna go with something similar but not too similar. Here's my outfit base that I put together, kind of inspired but not entirely a replica of the outfit that I saw in the Pinterest photo. I think this one, the charm of it is the fact that it's such a contrast between how fitted the vest is versus how baggy the jeans are. So the idea is there, but like I said, I don't have the exact same color of the jeans. The wash is a lot lighter than the one I have on, but these are basically my baggiest pair of denim jeans that I could put on to replicate the concept. For the belt, I see that she has a thin belt with silver hardware. I don't have that, but we're gonna go with the one I do have. I'm going to let the jeans kind of sit lower than I usually wear them. I want the outfit to have a bit of a relaxed vibe. For her shoes, I know that she's going with a really nice pair of flat shoes. I do have a pair of flat sandals that I really like, but oh my goodness, I don't get nearly as much wear out of them as I'd like to because the straps on these are so annoying. Let me show you. It took about an hour, but I finally got them on. Do you see how many times I have to wrap the straps around my ankle? Fashion is sometimes painful. But anyway, I do like the look of them. Very cute. And then for my bag, I don't have any kind of raffia bag or woven bag like this, but I did want to use a particular bag of mine. It's a top handle. It's kind of cute for summer because of the color, and I just feel like it kind of goes nicely with this outfit. It's sort of low-key, but it has a little bit of color going on it. So I don't know why. When I saw this photo, in my mind, I thought, okay, this bag is a good alternative. And this is the final look. Oh wait, I have to get sunglasses. For my last look, I saved this one specifically for last because I thought it was such a cute, maybe 60s inspired outfit. I don't know what era this is from. I don't know what decade it's from, but it has an old school vibe to it. I always have a soft spot for those kind of looks. Let me show you. Isn't this just the cutest little outfit you've ever seen for summer? This is the base that I'm working with. I love the way she has her bangs done, red lip, and the tan and everything is just stunning. Obviously, I don't have the tan going yet and I don't have the red lip, but I feel like the outfit itself is so cute. Let me grab my twilly. This is just seriously my favorite accessory. I cannot stress enough how many times I've elevated any basic outfit with this twilly, and I have always been happy with the outcome. As for her shoes, I obviously don't see what she has on, but I was thinking I would like to wear some platform espadrilles just to keep the whole look very feminine and cute. I love the extra bit of height that these wedges give me, and espadrilles are just the ultimate summer shoes in my mind, so the fact that I get to wear these with this cute feminine outfit ties the whole look together so beautifully in my opinion. For the bag, I see that she has a little black bag. I'm gonna go with this vintage Chanel bag. I love her outfit so much, but I do like the way this outfit came out too, because I don't have a pair of jeans the way hers look. This is more of a raw hem, so folding it up was kind of the best thing to do in my mind, but I think it still looks good. That was all for today's Pinterest outfits, and let me know which outfit from today's video was your personal favorite. I don't even know if I can pick a favorite from today's outfits. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and please let me know in the comments what type of videos you'd like to see in the future, because I'm always listening and considering your recommendations. If you like outfit videos, review videos, and sometimes travel vlogs, please consider subscribing to my channel. Anyway, I'll see you next week. Bye!